How to do travel recap map. Let's get started. Firstly, you will need to download this app, Multi.tave. You can get this app easily from the App Store or Play Store. Once you download this app, launch it, then provide the credentials, GitHub, Google or the Apple ID. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Now, you can click on three bars given at the top right corner. Click on the option Upgrade. You'll find the subscription option, one-time pack or subscription. You can select any of it and upgrade it. Without upgrading as well, you can use this app. So, you can also avoid this option. Now, navigate to this option given at the bottom left, route option. Firstly, you can remove these existing routes. Click on the delete icon for all the existing routes or the trips. Once you delete all these, now here you will find this option of name or code. Over here you can type in your trip details, origin and the destination. So I'm gonna select London to Vancouver, Canada. You are also able to select the transport type, but for this you'll need to upgrade. Once you are done, you can click on the cross icon. It might take few seconds to render the video. Now here's the animation. It will also display the distance. If you want to download this video, click on export. By following the same steps, you can easily add more trip in this app. If you have the subscription, click on the settings option. Now from here you can customize these settings, main style, country flag, country name, background. So this is how you can do travel recap map. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.